real tools?
Oh yeah, she's all about the big kid stuff. That looks like fun. That's like an amusement park. That's like an amusement park. That's better than Disneyland. Woohoo! Boom. Chug, 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 chug.
My turn. My later. No, do it like fun. Like
Oh, that's not fun?
That's not fun?
No, like do it funner.
Whoa. Oh my gosh.
Again.
Did that hurt? Oh my gosh. What do you think of that, Jay? Are they again?
Ready?
Yeah. No, do the twirly thing again. Hurt your head? How do you?
I
I
know.
have a very soft head. Or a hard head.
You have a lot of padding with your hair.
Again.
Again.